Okay. Okay, all of you see here first on class. This one is the vowel sounds. Okay, vowels. Okay, this one is A, R. Okay, A, R, R, A, R, E, N, E, N, I, E, I, E, O, O. Okay, this one is the sound now. O, O. U, A, U, A. A, E, I, O, U. Okay, this one is the A, E, I, O, U. Sanjivan, you read this one for me. Sanjivan? Sanjivan, read this one for me. A, R, E, A, I, E, O, O, U, R. Okay, this one is A, E, I, O, U. Okay, A, E, I, O, U. Okay, Renshan, can you read this one for me? A, R. U, U. Okay, yep, you turn this one, can? A, R, E, A. Yep, you turn this one, A, R, E, A, I, E, O, R, U, R. Okay, this one read together. A is Okay, this one A is remember, okay, the ends go inside to your hand. So you say E, E, S, A. You open the egg right like this, crack sound. Okay. I is E, inchi. Okay, inchi. I is E, inchi. O is O. Okay. U is ak. Okay, class can read. Okay, I want Sanjiva read first. A is Sanjivan read. A is E is A. is E. O is O. U is Ak. Okay. Now mention this one. A is okay. A is mention. Can you read or not? A is a. E is A. I is E. O is O. U is hug. Okay, this one is the vowel. You must remember this sound. A, E, I, O, U. A, R, E, A, I, E, O, U, R. A, E, I, O, U. Okay, this one is the vowel sound. Now all of you can listen. Okay, this one is vowel sound. Okay, A, E, I, O, U. Okay, can understand? Okay, now all of you take out your English reader book. Yes, read a book. Okay, take out page number 2. Page number 2. Okay, page number 2. Okay, please open page number 2. Okay, take out your English reader book, page number 2. I am boy, I am girl, right? This one, okay? Okay, take out this book, English reader book number 1. Okay, English book. Blue color book. Okay, open page number 2. Okay, please open page number 2. I am boy, I am girl. Okay, I am boy, I am girl. Okay, this one page number 2. All of you show your book first. Okay, please write Today date. Wednesday. Okay, please write Wednesday. Deacon, are you take this book ready or not? Yes, open page number 2. I ask you to open page number 2, right? Open page number 2. Okay, Menina, this book buku ini page number 2. I'm a boy, I am girl. Okay? Boleh? I am boy, I am girl. Page number 2. Oh.
What book? She asking.
I did already show ready to them. Okay, this book please take out this book. Write today day Wednesday. Wednesday. Wednesday 7-7-2021. Okay, class, this book English book, write Wednesday. Okay, like this. Wednesday. Okay, after you write. Okay, after you write Wednesday, today date, please underline the date. Okay, after you write ready today day and date, listen to teacher first. Okay, you look page number 2 class. Okay, I am a boy. I am a girl. Okay, class, can you all of you off your mic or not? Okay, class, off your mic first. Okay, this one is Wednesday. Please write Wednesday first. 7-7-2021. Okay, you see this picture first. I am a boy. I am a girl. Okay, I am boy. I am a boy. Okay, all of you see here, class. This one is I am a boy. I am a girl. Okay, Sanjeevan, can listen? I am a boy. I am a girl. Sanjeevan, read. Okay, now Sanjeevan, you have to read this one. I am a boy. Okay, Sanjeevan, this one, you circle this word, boy. Circle the word boy. Okay, this one you circle. Okay, this one is I am a girl. This one you cannot circle, You cannot. This one is boy. So you have to circle the word boy. Okay? Can? Okay. Wenxuan, can Wenxuan? Matthew. Okay, Wenxuan, you read this one for me, Wenxuan. I am girl. Okay. Manglina can? Okay, good. Manglina can? Manglina can read or not? Open your mic first. Okay, Manglina, you read this one for me, I am a boy. Okay. I am a girl. Okay, good. Deacon? Deacon, can you read? Open your mic first, Deacon. I cannot hear your voice. I am a boy. I am Okay, Matthew can Matthew, listen. I am a boy. Listen, I am a girl. Okay, Matthew. Jessica. Jessica, this one, I am a boy. Jessica, read that. I am a boy. I am a girl. Okay, Yam Yutong. Yam Yutong can read or not? Open your mic first. Okay, good. I am a boy. Listen. I am a girl. Okay, very good. Okay, now y'all, are you boy or girl? Yap Yutong is boy or girl? Yap Yutong, are you boy?
Boy or girl?
Okay. You is boy means so you have to circle the word boy. Okay? Then you know I am a boy, I am a girl. Okay? Sanjivan also say. Sanjivan circle the word I am a boy. Okay? Yes. Jessica, Kenna. Jessica, this one. I am a girl. Circle the word girl. Okay? I am a girl. Okay. Deacon, are you boy or are you girl? Which one? Which one you have to circle? Boy, so you have to circle the word boy. Matthew, you boy, right? So I am a boy. So circle the word boy. Okay, Renshan, you have to circle this one. I am a girl. So you have to circle the word girl. Manglina also say, ma. Okay, are you girl? Are you boy? Which one? So you have to circle the word girl. Okay? After you circle this one, okay, you go to this one. Circle your answer. Are you a boy or a girl? I am a girl. If you girl mean you have to circle the word girl. I am a boy means so you have to circle the word boy. Can you understand? Okay, can I understand, class? Are you boy or you girl? So you have to circle. I am teacher Renu is a girl. So I circle girl. Are you boy or you girl? Which one? So if you boy means you have to circle boy. Are you girls mean you have to circle the girl. Okay, Sanjivan, this one you done? This one done or not? Okay. I am a. Okay, I am a boy. Okay, if you boy me, you have to circle the word boy. I am a girl means so you have to circle the word girl. Okay, if you're done ready, you show your book to me like this. Okay, good. Okay, good, class. Yap Yutong. Yap Yutong Dana. This one is, are you boy or you girl? I am a boy. I am a girl. Okay, mention done. Menglina done. Deacon, are you done? This one, this page. Done. I am a boy. Okay, they're asking, are you boy or girl? So you have to circle. I am a. So you circle the word boy. Okay, Matthew, this one are you boy or girl? You circle. I am a boy. Okay, now you turn to page number 3. Okay, class, turn to page number 3. Page number 3. Okay. Hello. My name is Tom. Hello. My name is Sue. Okay? This one is a boy. This one is a girl. So this one is say, hello. My name is Teacher Renu. Hello, my name is White. Okay. You all know your name, right? Okay, now this one all. Okay, all of you, Sanjeeva, you read this one for me. Hello. My name is Tom. Hello. My name Sanjeevan, my name is Sue. Okay. This one they ask you to tell. Okay, hello. They say my name is Tom. Hello, my name is Sue. Okay, you see this one. Fill in the blank. What is your name? Okay, you have to write. My name is what? Okay, my name is Teacher Renu. My name is Renuka. Okay, I write like this. Okay, my name is Sanjeevan White. My name is Renkor Renshuan. My name is Yap Yu Tong. My name is Matthew White. Okay, you have to write your name, your own name. Okay, you cannot write your mommy name, daddy name, your name. Okay, my name is what? You have to write. You write your name first. My name is. Okay, you write. Okay, this one class, you see they ask you to write your name. Okay, hello, my name is Tom. Hello, my name is Sue. So this one they asking, what is your name? What is your name? My name is Manglina. You have to write. If Manglina name, you have to write Manglina. My name is Deacon. Okay, you have to write Deacon name. Matthew name also same. You have to write Matthew full name. Wen Xuan also same. My name is what? Called Wen Xuan. So you write. Okay, you write your name, your own name. Okay, you write your own name. Okay, please write your name. My name is what? Okay, you write your own name. Okay, please write your name. My name is what? Okay, you write your full name. Okay, who write your name? Ready? Show to me first. Okay, write your full name. Okay, Dika, you want this one? You read this one for me. My name. My name. I cannot hear your voice. My name. Manglina, this one you read this one. My name. My name is. Okay, good. Dika, this one you read for me. My name is. You read the sentence. My name is. You read all together. My name. Wen Xuan, you read for me, Wen Xuan. Jessica, this one. My name. My name is. Okay, all of you done or not? This one, write your name. My name is Teacher Reno. My name is Teacher Reno. So I write my name. My name is. What is Sanjeev? Okay, my name is what? Sanjeevan. Yap Yu Tong. Okay. My name is. What? You write. Okay. You write and you read. Okay. Yap Yu Tong. This one you can. My name. Yap Yu Tong can read for me or not? My name is. Okay, all of you done or not, class? Okay, show your book to me like this. Show your book to me. I want to see write your name correct or wrong. Show your book like this. Deacon. Anglina. Okay. Okay. I want to see your book. I want to see you write your name or not. Okay. Okay, good. Okay, now you all can say, when teacher asks, you say, my name is Sanjeevan. My name is Yabyuta. Okay, like that. My name is Wen Xuan. My name is Dickard. Okay, when teacher asks you, you must know what is your name? You say, my name is Teacher Renu. My name is what? Okay, this one is I'm a boy. I'm a girl. Okay, you must know. Boy is this one. This one is boy. This one is girl. Matthew, good Matthew. Okay, good Matthew. Okay, now class, I want you to take out your activity book first. Okay, please take out this book. Okay, please write today's date on page number 2, Wednesday. Wednesday 7-7-2021. Wednesday. Okay, page number 2, All of you look page number 2, write today day Wednesday. 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 Okay, today day is 7-7-2021. Okay, can? Anglina can listen, Can. Okay, you see this one, you write ready. Okay, you see the question first. Okay, you see the question first, page number 2. Circle the word one that is different in each row. Then circle the correct words. Okay, you see the picture. Okay, this one is a girl or boy? Girl or boy? Okay, it is a girl or boy?
Let's say almost 40 minutes, you must let them know. You go out, then come in again.
Yeah, just I come up. Another few minutes only, then it's go ready. Then after that, I come again, baby. Stop.
You come again, but the parent don't know how to come again. Matthew, mommy don't know. She come already?
Come. Okay, page number 2, see first. Okay, you see the question first, They ask you to circle the one that is different in each row. Then circle the correct words. Okay, these two girls same or not? So which one is wrong? Which one is the not same?
So which one is different?
Okay, this one, Matthew, this page, page number 2. Okay, you see, these two girls are same. She is a girl, she is a girl. This one is a boy. So you have to circle the word boy. B-O-Y. Boy. Okay, you see the picture first. Okay, the answer is be boy or girl. So you have to circle the words, no need to circle the picture. Just circle the word. Okay, word. Okay, you see number 1 picture. What is different? Okay, I see one boy there and I see 2 girls. So which one is the different? Boy or girl? Boy. So you have to circle the word boy. Okay. Okay, next. Next, number 2. Who can give me answer? Okay, number 2. Who can give me the answer? What is the answer? Who know the answer? Teacher, I know the answer. Who can say for the number 2? Who know the answer for the number 2? Boy or girl? Which one is the correct answer for number 2 picture? Boy or girl? Sanjeeva, you know the answer? Number 2, what is the answer? Which one is you have to circle? Who can tell me? Okay, the number 2 answer, you have to circle boy or girl. Sanjeevan.
So which one is boy or girl?
I want to see boy or girl. Number 2 answer. You see the picture first, okay? I see, okay, this one is a girl or boy? She is a girl. So this 2 is boy. Matthew, correct, Matthew. So you have to circle the word girl.
Which one is boy or girl?
Okay, number 3 picture also same. Okay, number 3 picture.
Okay, circle the boy. Which one is a boy? Boy. Okay,
Okay, number 3 picture, you see. I see. Which one is the correct one? Number 3. Deacon, number 3, what is the answer, Deacon? Can you tell me? Which answer you should circle, girl or boy? Number 3. Girl or boy? Which one you have to circle?
So, which one is a boy or girl? Circle the boy.
Very good, Sanjeevan. You have to circle boy. Very good. Because here have 2 girls. Okay? So you have to circle the word boy. Okay, you see the picture first. You see the pictures, then only you circle the answers. Okay? Okay, number 4 pictures. Who can answer me? Boy or girl? Yes, boy. Because here F. Because why boy? Because here F two girl. Okay, so you have to circle the word boy. Okay, very good, Yang Yutong. Okay, all of you done? Boy, girl, this one. Okay, who is boy? Okay, hands up, who is boy? I want to see who is boy. Sanjeevan is boy. Then Deacon is a boy. Some more, who is boy? Some more, Matthew is a boy and Yang Yutong is boy. Okay, who is girl? Who is girl? Teacher Renu, Menglina. Some more, who is girl? Wenshan. Okay, you must know. Boy and girl. Okay? Okay, you done this page or not? All of you, show to me first. Okay, all of you done this page? Show to me first. You have to circle the words, no need to circle the picture, just circle the words. Okay? Matthew, Yang Yutong. Mention. Okay, good. Okay, now next page, page number 3. Okay, page number 3. Please write Wednesday first. W E D N E S D A Y, Wednesday. Okay, after you write the day and date, okay, you see the question class. Trace the dotted line to match each child to his and her name. Then fill in the blank correctly. Okay, this one you have to trace. Okay, you take your pencil, you have to trace. Okay, this boy, is this boy or girl? Boy, so you have to, you trace, go. This one is band. This one, go down. You trace. Okay, number 2 picture. Is a boy or girl? Girl. So you have to see which one. Go. Up. Lisa. Okay, the girl name is Lisa. Okay. Matthew, can ask. Okay, next you see the picture. Is a boy or girl? Number 3 is boy. You have to trace. Go up. Stop. Okay, next after you trace, you read Tim, Ben, Lisa. Okay, these are their name. Tim, Ben, Lisa. So you have to write, my name is Ben. My name is Lisa. Okay, can see another class. Matthew, can This one you write the name. My name is Ben. B-E-N. Ben. My name is Lisa. L-I-S-A. Okay. This one is my name is Tim. T-I-M. Tim. Matthew done this one. Ben, Lisa, Tim. This one is a trace. Okay, Wenxuan, good. Ben, Lim, Lisa, and Tim. Okay, good. Manglina. Okay, Nikon. My name is Ben. My name is Lisa. My name is Tim. Okay. Okay, all of you done, class? Okay, all of you show your book like this first. I want to see. Okay. And Lisa and Tim. Okay? Correct. Okay, all of you done. This one is my name is Ben. My name is Lisa. My name is Tim. Okay, why you say class? Thank you. Okay, bye.